Well, hello there. This is Bob Kramer. Welcome back to a new episode of Kramer's Garage. Kramer's Garage is currently in the Philippines. And here's the garage. So, I had this tool shed cleaned out and fixed it up a little bit. I'm putting in some shelving and whatnot. But anyway, this is going to be my work area for the next 2 months. So today, I'm going to take this bicycle apart. This is an aluminum frame Fuji bicycle, belongs to my brother-in-law. And this frame was actually broken in half by getting hit by a car, and it was welded back together. Well, anyway, he's got a new frame now, and so I'm going to take this bike all apart and rebuild it on his new frame. So that's what I'm up to today. I like working with my windows wide open for the daylight and everything, but a strong wind kicked up. It's dying down now maybe, but let's open it up. Let's see, yeah, if the wind holds off, okay. So, to start with, to get the bottom bracket center bolt out, or crank center bolt out, I had to make a tool. I've been having a hard time finding a tool for this. So I made a tool, and I can now remove the crank. This bolt was in here very tight, tighter than it needed to be, I'm sure. But anyway, my special tool took it right out. And we've got a parts bowl here made out of a coconut shell. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and take this all apart. And you're welcome to come along with me for the ride. Hopefully I won't run into any more guffaws. Big problems with taking this bike apart. I guess I can push this parts on the shelf. This will be the next hurdle, to see if I can get the bottom bracket out of the frame. For any of you that don't know by now, my wife Alicia is a Filipina, and so we've built a house over the last 10 years or so. We have built a house here in the Philippines, and we come over here every winter for 2 or 3 months. Okay, you have the top piece. You have the piece. Take it out of the box. I can't assemble it with it in the box. Alright, that one.
Nothing. It's was no rubber gasket
Okay.
for to take the the rain, the water.
Yes. Can you hold this fork up?
Sure.
Yeah. There, it's starting to look like a bicycle.
Yeah.
So it was a little bit of a struggle to get the bottom bracket out of the original frame, but I got it out with my tool that I ordered for about 200 pesos.
And Lazada, and in Shopee, Lazada.
Oh.
In Lazada, you buy that here in the Philippines, not in America.
Yeah, it just came the other day.
200. Okay. I thought it's not arrived already.
No, I'm waiting for the other one.
Yeah, the only, you know.
I'm waiting for the one
Jesus.
that I made. This one came a couple days ago.
Okay. Yeah. This I like the tools. This are my
Yeah. Hang on to that.
Okay. Yeah.
So I bought this bicycle repair stand on Shopee, the Philippine equivalent of Amazon, for approximately $40. So I guess for $40 it's pretty good.
Yeah.
The problem is that the fittings are all plastic and you can't tighten them. Well, GoPro batteries last about as long as a popsicle on a really hot day, so I didn't film a lot of this bike build. But anyway, here it is. It's all done now. Take it out of the stand. This is my stand that I bought here in the Philippines, and it's marginally better than having the bike flopping around when you're trying to work. But anyway, there's the finished result.
Cube.
Yeah, it's a cube frame. We don't have that brand in America, but
Look
it
at
seems
this.
to be a nice bike.
Wow.
So, complete.
Complete.
So, Cherry's coming out to take it for a test ride, make sure everything works. I put new brakes on it, mechanical discs. So,
Take a picture of it.
got mechanical disc brakes. He's got a mismatch bunch of stuff on his shifting. So he's got a 10-speed shifter. He's got 8 cogs on the cassette. He's running an 11-speed chain, and the derailleur is made for a 7-speed system. So obviously it's not going to work right, but I did get it into a situation where it can be ridden. The 10-speed shifter actually hits about 6 out of the 8 gears available. So anyway, that's what we've got. The front derailleur runs way too high because of the small chain rings. It's not the right derailleur for that. But anyway, here in the Philippines on a third world island, you have to make things work with what you have, and that's what we do here. We make it work with what we have to work with, including making our own tools. Well, here comes Cherry, ready for the test ride.
Hello, Kuya Bob.
Go ahead, take your bike.
How are you?
Take your bike and
It's a nice bike.
go ride.
We're going to testing now.
Huh?
Testing na, no?
Yeah, go test.
Yeah. Ano pa ng size?
Saan palagay mo?
Okay na.
Okay, hold on, hold on. Kita didi, kita didi.
This is my brother-in-law, Cheriaco Tumbago. My wife, Alicia Tumbago.
Testing.
Sige, wala.
Okay.
Wala mo, ay, i-change ang kuan mo. Hearing.
Position looks good. Not bad. Hope the brakes work. Okay, well, I'm going to end this video now. You got a little glimpse into how we do things here in the Philippines. Maybe if you live in a big city like Metro Manila, everything is available, but out here on the island, here it's a different scenario here. You have to learn to improvise. You have to be a MacGyver. You have to learn to make do with what you have. As you can see, I frequently make my own tools. I've even made drill bits out of chunks of rebar before. But anyway, so we improvise, we adapt, we overcome, we make it work. So Cherry's happy with his new bike. I'm sure he'll ride the daylights out of it. So I'm glad I was able to build that for him. So I'm going to end this video now. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you'll see more interesting things from the Philippines. Huh, Fred?